Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to lock cells in Excel step by step. First, click and drag to select the cells you want to lock. The selected cells will have a colored border around them. If you need to select cells that aren't next to each other, hold down the Control key and click each one individually. Next, right-click on the selected cells. A context menu appears at your cursor. Click on Format Cells from that menu. This opens the Format Cells dialog box with several tabs across the top. Click on the Protection tab. It's typically the last tab on the right. You'll see two checkboxes here, locked and hidden. The locked checkbox is usually already checked. Verify it has a check mark, then click OK at the bottom to close the dialog. Now here's the important part. Marking cells as locked doesn't actually lock them until you protect the worksheet. So next, click on the Review tab in the ribbon at the top of Excel. It's usually between the Data and View tabs. In the Review tab, you'll see a Protect group. Click the Protect Sheet button there. This opens the Protect Sheet dialog box. You'll see a password field at the top and a list of checkboxes below showing what users can do with the protected sheet. You can optionally enter a password in the Password to Unprotect Sheet field. If you don't add a password, anyone can unprotect the sheet later. If you do add one, make sure it's something you'll remember. Excel can't recover lost passwords. Below the password field, you'll see options for what actions users can still perform. By default, users can select locked and unlocked cells, which is usually what you want. Once you've decided on your settings, click OK. If you entered a password, a confirmation dialog appears asking you to re-enter it. Type the same password again and click OK to finalize everything. The worksheet is now protected, and your locked cells can't be edited. To test this, try clicking on one of the locked cells and typing. Excel will display a message saying the cell is protected. If you need to make changes later, go back to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. If you set a password, you'll need to enter it to unprotect. One more thing, if you ever need to unlock cells after protecting the sheet, you'll need to unprotect it first, make your changes, then protect it again. And that's how to lock cells in Excel. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.